Welcome to Always Occupied. We are going to go over this exhaust fan. This thing is pretty big. It looks smaller on the Amazon picture. So this is the cover plate. Cool wiring right here. All right, we'll get into that later. You could take these clips and pull out the wires and install your original wires. And what you do with your template is that you put it right on top so you can make a nice squared cut. Give us vent straps, vent line. All right, you guys, so right here it says step 1. It says connect the panel to the machine. Before testing the machine, it is necessary to connect the panel for a functional test. So we are going to test this just to see if it functions or not. They have a black connector and then they have a white connector. These clips are for when you actually put it up, you guys. So you won't need those clips for now. All right, so you have your heater coils right here. So this is your heater coils right there. And this is your fan right here. So we are going to put this like that. All right. Because when you put out the heat, this should open up to release for the heat. And this is your light right here. So right now I'm going to hook it up and I'm going to, let's see if we need batteries. We need batteries. So yeah, when you wire this, I try to put it onto my extension cord right there, my extension outlet. So I plugged it directly to the wall. Of course, you get more power that way. And we are on. Let's see. Hit the fan button. All right, so now it's blowing. And it's blowing very well. Wow. Okay. Hit the fan again. Turns it off. Have a time on here. Light. Woo! Wow, that light is bright. Oh, the light is bright, you guys. Wow. This is awesome. All right. Now, I haven't been through everything with the remote, so I don't know everything yet. Okay, now the exhaust is working. All right, so now this is the exhaust. It's not loud at all. It's actually quiet. This is to sense the humidity. Let me see. Yep. It's warming up. I can feel the heat from the coils right here. When you hit the power button, you have a countdown. Now we're going to install. I have to take my old one out right there. What you do is pull down and then you take your clamps. Make sure you turn your power off. I'm gonna say this again. Make sure you turn your power off. Go to your circuit breaker and turn off your circuit breaker that's dealing with the exhaust fan that you're working with, or just turn all of them off. If you can't find it, get yourself a voltage tester. I centered this as good as possible by measuring here to there, dividing it, and figuring out where my center mark will be. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my hole. I would use a saw, but I don't want to cut nothing electrical. So I'm just going to use my regular drywall saw, build a hole here, make a hole, then come out here, and then I'll go ahead and take this panel out. You guys, make sure it's tight as possible. This is better. I could fit it in this way. It's going to be a little bit of a struggle. Fortunately for me, the end of my roof is right here, and I keep hitting it. And I'm hitting the cardboard that's there, but I mean, there's space between the cardboard. Yeah, you guys, I have to go upstairs. All right, you guys. So like I said, you see how close it is to the roof right there? So yeah, it would have been a struggle trying to, throw it up here. It's not open space in this area. So I'm about to put it in. I got it right there. And yeah. Okay, you guys, real quick. I'm trying to get this done because I got to get my mask back on. These 3 wires right here. And I told y'all to turn y'all circuit breaker off, okay? I always tell y'all that safety is first. So we're going to put white with white, black with black, and then green goes with copper. If you're in a situation like this, you might have this is what you call it's a multi-angular. All right, that's what I call it. All right, they might have a certain name for it, but I don't care. All right, so you can turn it to try to make it go in a certain angle. And again, I could prop this up like this and put like a piece of board. I got boards and stuff up here, so I can prop it up. Then I hook my vent line up here, and then that should be it. All right, you guys, so everything is hooked up, electrical, the vent. I'm about to go back down, straighten everything up, hook it up, and we're good to go. Here we go. Now, again, I left a little lip here on mine so that way it can sit on something, because right here is pure wood. All right, so that's where my wood is. So I came out like a ½ an inch. So the lip can actually sit on something. So right now we are going to go ahead and hook it up. And when you hook it up, you have the slots right there to put those metal springs to hook it up. And then we hook up our electric, and then we have a fan and a heater. I'm going to go ahead and take off the beauty cover. All right, and now you have these springs. So you squeeze the springs, okay, really tight, and then you put it in. Okay, it's in. And that's it, you guys. It's up and it looks good. All right, you guys, for the moment of truth, on. It just came on. And it went off. So we are going to go ahead and hit power. Oh, this is so cool. This is awesome. I'm in love with this thing, you guys, already. I think I'm just happy that it works. All right, so what we see right there is the sensing of humidity. Now I'm gonna have to go over the operation on this and then I'll finalize the review with doing an overview on it. But right now I just wanted to show y'all the installation, the unboxing. But yeah, so that will be it. I will get back with y'all to show y'all the overview of this. We are going to go over all the features and all of that good stuff. But that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.